Today on Mag's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious egg drop soup with Bibigo's chicken and vegetable dumplings. So let's get started. Alright, for the main ingredients to make our delicious egg drop soup with Bibigo's chicken and vegetable dumplings, we have frozen Bibigo steamed dumplings with chicken and vegetables. Now that really does sound good, and it's a quick and easy meal. So I thought I'd bring you along when I make this delicious egg drop soup with these dumplings. And boy, does that sound good. Okay, now this is a 6.6 ounce pack, I think. Yep. And it has 6 dumplings in there. And they're chicken dumplings, you know, with vegetable. So that's good. And over here we have our chicken bouillon. It's a powdered bouillon, and it's about 2 tablespoons, right? And we have 2 nice large eggs. And 2 green onions that we're going to slice up. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we're going to make a cornstarch slurry out of that. And back here we have a cup of spinach leaves. Now you can leave the stems on. I'm going to leave them on today, or you can cut them off. But I like them because they're nice and crispy. Alright, let's put some of this aside. Alright, let's chop up our green onions. I don't think anybody wants these roots on the bottom here, so we'll cut them off, right? Might be able to regrow them in your garden, though. Alright, maybe we'll try that someday. Alright, let's go ahead and chop these up. Now, we're going to cut them kind of thin. And boy, that knife is sharp, guys. We went ahead and sharpened this with our Any Sharp knife sharpener, and boy, does that work good in a pinch. If you don't have one of them, just go ahead and pick one up, because they're a really handy gadget to have in the kitchen. Alright, let's go ahead and start continuing to chop up our onions here. These add a lot of flavor, plus they look pretty. So we're going to go ahead and chop them up. Now you can chop them about 1/4 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch. I'm doing about 1/8 of an inch here, or a little bit less. Where's that guy going? Okay. Okay, let's bring in a nice little plate for them. And we'll put them on there. Alright. There's our green onions all chopped up nice. They're going to add a nice color to our egg drop soup with all those chicken and vegetable dumplings, right? Alright, let's put these aside. Alright, let's bring in our cornstarch slurry. Now this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Okay? And we're going to mix that up until we don't see any lumps, right? Alright. Okay, there's our cornstarch slurry. Now all we have to do is start cooking. So let's go ahead and start making our egg drop soup with our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings. So let's do that. Alright, and today we're using our nice 3-quart tri-ply stainless steel saucepan. And we're going to set our burner to medium-high. And we're going to go ahead and add 4 cups of water. This is 2 cups. And this is another 2 cups right here. Put that in there. Now we're going to bring that to a boil. Alright, our water's starting to boil. Now we're going to take all our nice bouillon here and we're going to put that in there. Give that a little mix. Stir that in good. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings. Alright, let me get these out of the package. Now they're froze, so let's add them in there right now while the bouillon is boiling away there, right? Okay. Now the Bibigo comes with a in a package here with all instructions on how to cook them or steam them. But it doesn't come with, what we're doing today. So I figured I'd show you how to do it. Now this is a little soy sauce pack if you wanted to dip them in later. Alright, let me get these out of the package. Alright, let's get them out of the package here. They come 6 to a pack, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and put them right in there. Dump them in. Alright. Alright, now that chicken bouillon is going to add a lot of flavor to our dumplings. So let's go ahead and let our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings simmer for a little bit. Maybe 5 minutes. Alright, and a good tip here is when your dumplings start to float, they're done. So let's lower our burner temperature down to medium low. And let's go ahead and take our 2 eggs, right? Now we're going to beat them up. Beat them up good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and, we don't want to cook our egg too fast, so we're going to be pouring this over this fork and make like little ribbons out of it, right? Just keep going around and around and around. There you go. Okay. Now just kind of break them up. Okay, they look nice. Nice ribbons, see 'em? Perfect. Okay, now you want to be adding your egg at a low temperature like this. They're perfect. Okay. Now to thicken it up, we're going to use our cornstarch slurry. Now don't forget to mix this up. Make sure there's no lumps, right? Okay. And we're going to kind of pour that in there real easy. Take this hand and we'll... Okay, that's it. We used it all. Now kind of mix that in. See, it thickened up that broth. That's beautiful right there. Okay. Now we're going to take all our nice green onions and we're going to put them in there. And all of our spinach leaves. Put them in. And stir them in gently. And as soon as your spinach leaves start to wilt like they are now, go ahead and shut off your burner. Because our delicious egg drop soup with our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings is done, and I can't wait to have a taste of this. Boy, does that smell good. Okay. Alright guys, let's have a taste. We'll put that in a nice bowl and we'll have a taste. Alright, let's serve up our egg drop soup with our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings, right? Boy, does that look good. Okay guys, this makes 2 servings and you get 3 dumplings each. Boy, is that nice. Alright, and to that, I like to add a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. Alright, there's our delicious egg drop soup with our Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings. And boy, does that smell good. I can't wait to have a taste, so let's get into a bite. Look at this, guys. Look how creamy that is. That's beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and cut one of these in half. Look at those dumplings. They're beautiful. Okay, let's cut one of these in half and see how it tastes. Okay, there it is, guys. Look at that. That's gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna tell you, they're done perfect. That chicken in there and the vegetables, wow. Okay, let me have a bite and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Boy, is that delicious. That's a real easy way, and it's budget friendly to make this, you know. I picked up these Bibigo chicken and vegetable steamed dumplings, and they were on sale or a rollback at Walmart, and they were only like $1. So I got 3 or 4 boxes, right? Yep. And I figured I'd do more than just steam them. I figured I'd make a really delicious egg drop soup with them, you know. And they're really reasonable, so that's why I'm putting them in the budget-friendly playlist, right? Now, normally these are like $2.50 to $3 each. So when you see them on sale, get a few boxes. They're great, and they're easy to make. Okay. Alright, you know what to go good with this, since we're having this for a delicious lunch? You may have guessed this one. We're going to have this with a wobble pop. Yep. Because it's like a late lunch, you know. So, long as it's after lunch, we can have our wobble pop. Alright, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious egg drop soup with Bibigo chicken and vegetable dumplings. Doesn't that sound good? It is good. Alright. Yep. I just gotta have another little taste. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Is that delicious? Catch you on the next one.